This is part 2 of our Magic Kingdom Disney Park day. We are just going to pick up where we left off from part 1 in Adventureland. It was getting pretty warm, so we decided to cool ourselves down by going to Aloha Isle. We got the pineapple float and the raspberry swirl. The last ride we went on in Adventureland was the Jungle Cruise. We had come back to this ride before leaving this area because the wait time had gone down substantially.
No one showed up. That's why they didn't come to my party. Yeah. Anybody know why we know that's a python and not a boa? No feathers. Right there is our safari camp. You know, I hired those guys to break camp. You're so much smarter than you look. Yeah, right there is the African bull elephant. Old Africa. Yeah. The most feared? No. His mother-in-law. Yeah, if you didn't laugh at that one, I'm going to choose to believe that it's because your mother-in-law's on board. I'm so sorry.
We wanted to take a closer look at the castle and just check it out, see all the details up close. It's absolutely beautiful. We also went inside the castle, the little walkway that you go in between the different lands, and it was really cool. It had absolutely beautiful murals on the wall, and yeah, it was just really cool to look at. All of the different murals on the walls were all the different scenes from Cinderella and all of kind of the different main points of the movie. It was really fun, really cool, and they were like mosaic, so it was like a texture on the walls as well. It's really beautiful. We walked back to Main Street to watch one of the little parades that they had going on. Next ride on our list is the Haunted Mansion. So here I'm just kind of showing you the queue line. They had a little bit of interactive stuff that was kind of interesting on the outside of it. And then I will show you a little bit of like the pre part of the ride as well.
His warning canary. Now he mines 6 feet under the old. Oh, if I only had a rhyme for canary. Speak to me, muses. What's wrong with me today?
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
For lunch, we went to Sleepy Hollow and we ordered the sweet and spicy chicken waffle sandwich, as well as the fruit waffle sandwich. And here I'm kind of just testing them out, and they're actually both really good. They're a little messy to eat. I recommend maybe eating them with a fork or something like that, but they were actually both really good and I enjoyed them.
Let's try the other one. You move that one over, baby. It just looks so full.
You're supposed to be using like
Fork, I know. Can you pull the paper down, babe? Yeah.
After lunch, we go to Frontierland and watch a parade and just kind of chill and relax a little bit. I think this was near Pecos Bill's restaurant or something like that. It was in that area. Anyway, it was really cool, kind of a neat parade. Definitely liked this one. Better than the other little mini one that we saw on Main Street. Here's some pictures of up close of some of the float decorations in the parade. we went on Splash Mountain.
So we're currently stuck. So that's cool. Right before the big splash. Yay!
The next ride we went on was It's a Small World, and this is just kind of one of those nostalgic classic rides. Then we had a fast pass for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride, and this one was pretty fun.
Hi-ho! 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 It's home from work we go. Hi-ho! Hi-ho!
For dinner, we went to Pecos Bill Tall Tale Inn and Cafe. We were so hungry that I didn't even take a picture of what I got. I basically just got like a salad. And then for desserts, we got the Mickey Mini Dome Cake. To close out the night, we watched the Magic Kingdom fireworks in front of the castle. We stood on Main Street to watch the fireworks, and it was absolutely beautiful in person. I will say though, as a short person, this was extremely hard to see because there was a lot of tall people in front of me. So yeah, I basically saw most of it just from the view in other people's cameras and phones. And then also obviously I saw the fireworks from the top, but I would suggest if you are short to find a much better place because you can't help who stands in front of you to enjoy the view. Here are a few pictures that we got of the castle and all of the different designs that it had on it. I thought this was the most beautiful thing about the fireworks personally. And then after the fireworks ended, we took the monorail back to the Polynesian Resort to end our day at Magic Kingdom. Stay tuned for the next Disney vlog where we go to Epcot.